You've seen what Coke does to coins. Let's see what it does to shoes. But of course, there's a catch. Can't wait to see what happens. Let's see.
We're gonna leave it in for 3 hours. And we're gonna come back and we're gonna
see if it cleans. We'll see what it gets rid of the paint. We'll see what happens.
All right, so it's been 3 hours. Let's see what's happened.
All right. You can see some bubbles formed. It's clean coins. Let's see if it's clean shoes. You ready? That's disappointing.
I don't think it's done a good job at all.
It's a no-go. Coach, no good. Let's stick to shoe care.